Hello, this is Joan of Art and Pipo right here. This is my guard dog, Ido, nga Aspin, Asong Pinoy, a Philippine dog. Here, I'm lying on the floor covered with mosquito nets so I don't get bitten by mosquitoes. But Pipo right here is very restless because there are people outside and I wanted to relax him because I want him to enjoy his life. He has grown something on his face. It's a kind of a lump there, there, there. A lump is called bukol in Ilonggo. I brought him to the vet and the vet prescribed surgery, which I find to be pretty invasive for a dog or for anybody actually. Operasyon, an operation. So that's what we call it in Ilonggo. A surgical operation is an operasyon or opera. I wouldn't want to go in that direction for people because really he's not suffering. He's okay. It's just me and a couple of other human beings that are worried for him. For now, what we've decided is to make people's life happy and also to resort to other forms of healing. So that's love, lots of love for people. That's why I'm here to giving him all the love and attention. He likes it so much, really. He loves me so much that for the rest or for the whole time that he's been alive up to now, he's really dedicated his life towards adoring me. And prior to that, I had been attached to a dog once in my life, and it was very painful, very, very painful losing her. That I decided after that never to attach myself emotionally to animals, especially to dogs. That's why I never really invested any emotional attachment to my dogs. Prior to people, I have had dogs before, but interestingly, all of them, towards or nearing the end of their lives, they would just disappear. But I think people here, I mean, look at Jaja. You remember Jaja? I've always featured him in my videos in the past, but about 2 months ago, she disappeared. She's gone. Jaja's gone. I don't know why. Jaja has some sort of ailment. I didn't think it was life-threatening, but she just disappeared. She's gone. She's gone. This is a farm. They live in a farm and they run free. There aren't many neighbors around, so I don't know how Jaja disappeared. I think that, you know, they spare, no, dogs, I think dogs spare us from all the trouble of grief and loss. So towards the end of their lives, they just disappear. Well, I think that's the case for me. But I think people right here is teaching me how to deal with grief, maybe, or how to handle loss or ailment. It's just so painful. I've been crying buckets of tears for him already. But for now, I'm just enjoying moments with him, precious time with him, and I think he as well. So in the next few minutes, just bear with us as I share with you some of the video clips that we've had earlier. So that's my people, my dog people, my Ido. So, a few Ilonggo words pertaining to this moment. Grief, kasubo, and joy is kalipay. So that's sadness and joy. And our time together, our tiempo, Spanish in origin. So spending our time together. Together is pag inupod or just upod. Upod, like with. You're with this person, upod, or together. It's also upod. So we're just enjoying our time together, our togetherness, our pag-ulupod, pag-upod. Upod is also a companion. So that's a perfect word for a dog. A very loyal companion. He's always been my companion. Upod. Also, upod in Ilonggo, in the Ilonggo context, also pertain to a spouse, a partner. So they also call their spouse or partner upod. Well, I hope you have enjoyed watching the video just as I have enjoyed spending these moments together with people. I don't know how long will he live, but I do hope that he will live a very, very, very enjoyable life. Much love to you from me and Pipo. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is Joan of Arc and Pipo right there. Where are you, people? Say bye, hi, and bye to our viewers. And till our next video. Bye-bye. Bye for now. Pila.
Cinta.
Nibaklan ka na mo din na, ga, Pipo.
Ha? Ay, kuwan man, may talong.